Hello guys, I'm Billy Joe Empanado and I'm here to report about requirements traceability and test tool. Requirements traceability refers to the capability of requirements management process or tool which enables the process participant or tools user to follow the life of a requirements both forwards and backwards. It also refers the ability to link requirements via a specific relationship to other contracts or artifacts of product development lifecycle. Traceability relationship, business goal to detailed requirement to test script, detailed requirement to system component. Ayon kay Kyle Wiggers, ang isang requirement ay maaaring matrace sa apat na paraan. Number 1. Customer need are traced forward to requirements so that you can tell which requirements will be affected in those need change. Number 2. Conversely, you can trace backward from requirements to customer needs to identify the origin of each software requirements. Number 3. You can trace forward from requirements by defining link between individual requirements and specific product elements. The last, number 4, specific product elements may be traced backward to requirements so that they know why each item was created. Sunod naman ay, why is requirement traceability important? Bakit nga ba importante ang requirements traceability? Ito ang apat na dahilan. Number 1, it ensures that final deliverables directly tied to initial business needs. Forward requirements traceability offers an analyst a means to be sure that business needs are tied to actual requirements and that actual requirements are tied to deliverables. Number 2, done properly, it ensures that organizations do not waste time and resources repeating research. Without requirements traceability, organizations have the potential to waste a lot of money on backtracing, duplicate research, and lost business needs. Number 3, it complies with established industry standards. Kannenberg and Sidian further point out that traceability is a key ingredient in many respected industry standards for software development, including the CMMI and ISO 9001. The last, number 4, it offers much easier impact analysis. Requirements traceability enable intelligent impact analysis. If a stakeholder wants to change a requirements once it is in development or testing, traceable links to business needs and other requirements enable an analyst or project manager to report the full impact of requested change. Next is Requirements Traceability Matrix or RTM. Requirements traceability often takes the physical form of Requirements Traceability Matrix or RTM, which is a manual spreadsheet or table that demonstrates the interconnection between requirements and business needs, other requirements, and or deliverables. The column in a table or spreadsheet, for example, might list a primary requirements while the row might list requirements that are somehow tied to them, thus creating a visual juxtaposition of related requirements. The next topic is test tool. Software testing tools are required for the betterment of application or software. That's why we have so many tools available in the market where some are open source and paid tools. Ito yung pagkakaiba ng open source tool and paid tool. Ang open source tool, limited lang ang pwede mong gamitin na features sa kanya. Samantalang yung paid tool ay maaari mong magamit ang full picture ng test tool na iyon. Pero sa customer pa rin nakasalalay yung paggamit nito o ano ang pipiliin nila. Dahil nakadepende ito sa kanilang gagamitin batay sa kanilang system. Sa paggamit ng test tool ay ma-improve natin ang ating software performance, pag-deliver ng high quality product, at mababawasan din ang haba ng testing na ginagamit sa mano-manong testing. Ito naman po ang mga example ng test tool. Number 1, test management tools. Test management tools are used to keep track of all testing activity, parse data analysis, manage manual and automation test cases, various environment, and plan and maintain manual testing as well. Next is bug tracking tool. The defect tracking tool is used to keep track of the bug fixes and ensure the delivery of a quality product. This tool can help us to find the bugs in the testing stage so that we can get the defect-free data in the production server. With the help of these tools, the end user can now allow reporting the bugs and issues directly on their application. Next is automation testing tool. This type of tool is used to enhance the productivity of the product and improve the accuracy. We can reduce the time and cost of the application by writing some test script in any programming language. Next is performance testing tool. Performance or load testing tool are used to check the load stability and scalability of the application when n number of users using the application at the same time, and if the application gets crashed because of the immense load. To get through this type of issue, we need load testing tool. Next is cross-browser testing tool. This type of tools is used when we need to compare a web application in the various web browser platform. It is an important part when we are developing a project. With the help of those tools, we will ensure the consistent behavior of the application in multiple devices, browsers, and platforms. Next is integration testing tool. This type of tools is used to test the interface between modules and find the critical bugs that are happen because of the different modules and ensure that all the modules are working as per the client requirements. Next is unit testing tool. This testing tool is used to help the programmers to improve their code quality, and with the help of these tools, they can reduce the time of code to overall cost of the software. Mobile Android testing tool. We can use this type of tool when we are testing any mobile application. Some of the tools are open source and some of the tools are licensed. Each tool has its functionality and features. GUI testing tool. GUI testing tool is the use to test user interface of application because a proper GUI or graphical user interface is always useful to grab the user attention. This type of tools will help to find loopholes in the application design and makes it better. Last is security testing tool. The security testing tools is used to ensure the security of the software and check for the security leakage. If any security loopholes is there, it could fix at early stage of the product. We need this type of tools when the software has encoded the security code which is not accessible by the authorized user.